What's up, y'all? I'm back with another tutorial. Watch and learn. In this video, I am using my mini sewing machine to make these mini pillows. Now, if you know me, you know I know how to sew. But even if you don't know how to sew, you can make these pillows. This is one of the easiest things you could ever sew. And with a machine like this, it's actually super easy to sew these little pillows. The size of these pillows are roughly 3x3. Well, they all were supposed to be 3x3, but I was rushing and they all came out different sizes, but they still were cute. The material I'm using is cotton, and at the end, I'm just applying a gold vinyl. So all you need to do is cut out a piece of fabric 3x3 and make sure you have two sides. Put the pieces together, sew around in the whole square, and leave an opening. Me personally, I like to leave my opening from a 1/2 inch to a whole inch, simply because I have to hand sew this clothes, and that's only because of the look I was going for, but you are more than welcome to sew it closed with the sewing machine. These pillows ended up having a mixture of both because I was pressed for time, but they still came out cute. And for this look, I like to hide my knots. So when I sew them closed, I make sure the knot is inside. I know I'm a little ahead of the video, but you'll see all of this if you keep on watching. Now, y'all, I did not create the Wakanda Forever design. All I did was Googled Wakanda Forever PNG, saved it to my computer, uploaded it to Cricut, and then I adjust the size to what I needed it to be. And here it is. It's another vinyl video. So let me tell y'all the struggle I had making these pillows just because I was rushing. I call myself getting ahead. That way, the next day when I got back to making these pillows, all I had to do was sew them, stuff them, press them. Everything was supposed to go very smoothly. While I had everything prepped and the next day come, keep in mind I needed these done to be by 12 o'clock. But they don't take long at all to do, so I knew I was going to be able to get them done. But y'all, the machine started jamming up. The thread kept coming out, so I had to keep rethreading the machine. The spool ran out of thread. The bobbin ran out of thread. I really didn't even think to prep bobbins because I didn't expect to run out of the thread with these little pillows. So I underestimated that. Then the spools of thread I had was all for my big sewing machine. So I had to manually thread the spool for the mini sewing machine. And y'all, I still did get them all done before the party started. I was hand sewing them closed at the party. My sisters and I were tag teaming these pillows to get them done. And we got them done. But anyways, I just realized I didn't tell y'all what I stuffed it with. It's just polyfill. Now here we are practically at the end of this. This is me closing it up. So I'll go ahead and do a quick recap on how to make these pillows. Get your notebook ready. It's only 5 simple steps. All right, you ready? Number 1 is sew. This is you sewing that square and leaving an opening. Number 2 is invert. Once you sew the square, you're going to flip it inside out, which is technically outside in. But number 3 is design. Put your design before you stuff, which is number 4. And number 5 is close. Good day.